So in integrator mode, just a minute. So build from 3D model. We will try this example. So I would like to inform you that as okay, let me go to piping. So this integrator mode is just a mini integrator mode. It's not a exhaustive integration schematic 3D integrator. So this is like doing line by line, but there is a separate training course for complete integrator course, and it can be activated from home integrator. So this is the main integrator, or you can say it can be done in bulk. It can uh, compare full PNID, or you can have list of elements to be compared in one go. So that is what uh, is done in true sense. If you turn it off, it will be gone. So what is available in piping is mini integrator mode. So you do line by line comparison. That is what is the scope of training. Current training is okay. Now I had to do few settings because I changed my project. So I will do some settings which you already did. Okay, it is there. This one, model express select, auto route branches. Okay, fine. So this option, this settings we did yesterday. Now let us go to build options. So in build option, as you know that if you select a line, it can make the components for you in the model. At least it will put the components, may not be in sequence, but it will, you can say it will just put the components and form a pipe, form a branch, name the pipes branch, wherever walls and instruments are there. If they have tag number, it will put the tag number in model, and thereafter it will be left for you to put those in sequence. So at least you can say 50% of work is done. The latest data is coming. There is no chance of mistake because it is read by system. Sometimes when you view the PNID and then draft, sometimes you may fail to notice some information, and that information may be missed. But for the build operation, for the build operation, you can directly select the pipe and say build. Okay, so let us come to the example where the build is used. Compare operation we have already seen. Okay, so build mode. You can, this is page number 96, and we are going to build this pipe, which is 100P2. Do I have it in my project? Okay, we don't have 100B2. Okay, so I will go to, let me close this. Piping, open diagrams. I will search by content, say 100-B-2. So it is there in this PNID. Click OK. And you can also navigate here in Schematic Explorer. Pipelines. This is my 100B2 line. Now what is given in the example here in the manual and what is here in your APS project is slightly different because there is some extra branches over here. but we are going to just do this what is model in the manual, and later on maybe you can try this further more branches for drains and vents. So as you can see, the root, the this pipe is coming from column C1101 from the bottom nozzle, the N1 nozzle, and it goes into another pipe over here, ATB2, then continues to ATB3. So wherever it finds a model reference, for example, this nozzle, it will connect to that. But wherever it does not find, it will just model the end components. Okay. So the details are given here. The system is set. The specification is set in the PNID. The bore is also set in PNID. And some control wall is there, reducer, gate walls. Branch head is connected to C1101N1. And branch, this is branch tail, which will be for now put to last member, connected to the last member. Right. So when you build it, initially it will come like this. Okay, so before you begin modeling, you have to tell in which part of the model, uh, in which part of the model your pipe should be made. So right click on the model and you have to make it as set build zone. Right, so this will be taken as your storage area for the pipe. And if you just a minute. Okay, placing cursor over here. It should give you a build option. Just 1 second. Hmm. Let me open it again. I hope this is set build zone. Strangely, this option is inactive. Give me a minute. Let me see if this comes. Second. Check if the options are correct over here and integrated. Piping check. Okay.
直接点那个 mute 就好。